Hello, today I am in Amsterdam Central Station and today I am going to tell you how to go to the baggage locker in Amsterdam Central Station and also how to use the baggage locker in Amsterdam Central Station. So I'm going to show you this step by step. So when you're coming down in the lift, there is this signal called Klaus. So you have to follow that sign in order that you would get into the baggage. And also first you have to check out with your ticket to go to the baggage locker. So follow the Klaus sign and also go out of the station in order to reach to the baggage locker. So on the way to the baggage lockers, you will also see this sign. It is important that you have your ticket with you because you have to check in again in order to be in the area of the train, or if you are outside you have to check in again before going to the baggage area which is there. So make sure you have the tickets before you go to the baggage locker area in Amsterdam Central Station. So when you walk to the right side of Amsterdam Central Station, looking from the front, you will get to the baggage hall. So this is the baggage hall we were talking about. You go there and you can yourself pay for the baggage. And there are two ports where you can go, and if there are any help or any questions you can ask the personnel here who's working in the baggage locker area. As you can see, there are lots of baggage storage areas in Amsterdam Central Station, more than 500, from big to small. So always you can choose a locker where you want. And in my next video, I will show you how to use a baggage locker. So this is how we go to the baggage locker area of Amsterdam Central Station. I hope that this video was useful for you, and thank you.